Hello friends, now let's see today in this lecture about the copy command. So you can see here this one is our copy command. See, this one is our copy command. So to make the copy of any element in the Revit, so you need to first select that element there. Let's see, I'm selecting this element. Now just click on this copy. See, and you can see here is a modification panel. Here you can see here is a constraint, and here is a multiple. Two options are here in the copy command. So basically, multiple means what? You just first let me select the constraint. Okay, and you can see here is multiple option. What does it mean? Uh, Once you selected the object, if you wanted to make a copy of it, if you can make multiple copy of it, you can see, first let me select a reference point. See, and from here I'm making a copy 1, a, a copy 2, a copy 3, a copy 4, copy 5, a multiple number of times I can make the copy of it. Let me deselect it, deselected. Now, if I wanted to make a copy of it, I can make a copy in a vertical and in a horizontal direction. See, I can't move in at any random angle. See, either I have to make the copy in vertical or in a horizontal. So that's because this constraint option. First, understand the multiple option. Currently, I deselected this. So just see, now I can't make more copy because I just deactivated this multiple. Right now, uh, let me select this one again, and this time I'm making the copy of. Let me make click on the copy, and let me deselect the constraint. See, I just deselected it. Now, I'm just entering here our reference point, and now you can see at whatever angle you wanted to place your wall, you can just place it. See, I just cannot in a 90-degree and vertical. I can move at it at any random angle. See here. Uh, because here I just didn't click on the multiple, so that's why it just make one copy only. See, now I just click on the multiple, and it can make many number of copy as much I want. Okay, that's it.